Okay, this one is a bit of a weenie upgrade. So titanium bolts from AliExpress. These are for the stem and for the headset, because I never like the integrated bar and stem combination. I prefer an arrow bar with a stem that I can adjust the length when I need to. So I bought this for the headset for just around $5.16, and these for the stem. So the 4 bolts that hold the bar and the 2 bolts that hold onto the stereo tube. So, and these here are the original bolts that come off. These are steel, I believe, and we want to just check the difference in weight. So we'll start with weighing the original. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. So turn on the scale. As you can see, 8 grams for the headset bolt and 5 grams for the bolts for the stem. So together, everything, oops, $31 grams. Okay, so I had to buy 2 of this because I sell them in fours. So I bought 2, and these were $12.37 on AliExpress. So I'll just measure the weight, check the weight of first the bolt that was clamped and tighten the headset. So this 6 grams, and the original was how much? 8 grams. So 2 grams weight saving, and actually a nicer looking bolt. Seeing the, you can see the, I don't know if it, anyway, you can see the branding on it. And take it out. I like the packaging too, like a Ziploc type packaging, 4 of them. That alone is okay. The scale can't measure it, saying 0 grams. So what I would do is put on one of these, which is 5 grams, it's saying. Then add this, 7 grams. So that is 2 grams. So if I take it off, it will keep it as 2 grams. No, it's saying 0 grams. It's just too light for the scale. So okay. So we need 6 of these and this to measure the total weight. Just need 2 more. Put aside. I actually have 2 from our earlier set I bought. So we'll put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so that is a total of 18 grams. So how much is that? About 12 to 13 grams saving. It's not much, but everything adds up. From 18 to okay, 32. So that was 14 grams saving. Yes, 14 gram saving. So if you want some titanium bolts and a copper magnet, here to check these, you can see the magnet picking them up, while the titanium, nothing. So let's hope it's really titanium, but that's a popular brand on AliExpress, and mostly it does always have good reviews. So that's a water bottle full of the desk. Okay, so if anybody interested, I'll just look for the links and put them in the description.